This 2022 Travel Lite Rove Lite 14FD Front Dinette is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used travel light is 16 feet 6 inches in length and features a tan with winter white cabinetry interior, sleeps 3, microwave, water heater, external shower, air conditioning, and 10 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front dinette, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Travel Lite Rove Lite 14FD front dinette is 790 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.